This is a video demonstration of the Samsung CP20 CV that was recently purchased on eBay. The system has only 700 run hours on it, so it is a very lightly used system. Take a look at the operations monitor, and behind that, once we put the covers down and run the system, you'll see the monitor that shows part placement and fiducial recognition. Keyboard, mouse, teach pendant controls. As we look into the system, you'll notice a few feeders. You'll also notice the two white cylindrical units. Those are the two placement heads, and next to that is the downward-looking fiducial camera. You'll also see here a nozzle nesting area. I'll walk behind the system so you can get a full view of the machine. As I walk around the unit, on top there is a systems manual. Now this cover in the back does lift, but it has interlock or safety switches. And since we're going to be running the machine here in a minute, I'm going to have to try to show you the camera unit and the matrix tray unit. Can't get a better view of them, but hopefully that'll show you the units themselves. These are ports. This is the communication ports to let it know a board's ready to come in and when the board is completed. Now we'll come around to the front of the system and we will run a board. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the board in the system. We'll put the covers down just so you can see the board go in, and then the system will use its downward looking camera to find the board. And this is represented by this view right here. Now we've stopped the system. Once it's found the board, we're relifting up the cover so you can actually see it placing components. It's changing nozzles. The move in the back was it placing leaded components over the camera so they can be found, which is represented in this picture right here. That's an actual component that was found. And we'll take a look at the board. Those are the chip components that were placed. I understand the system is still in CAL. And these are the leaded components that were placed. Just a few components just to show that the system is fully functional. You got yourself a really nice machine. Low hour system and ready for production.